Hey you all, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another episode of Screen University. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 beautiful Marathi films which are on Netflix right now. My mother tongue is Marathi, so I'm very happy to introduce these films to you. Those who are already introduced to Marathi films and are aware of the good work that is being done in the Marathi film industry, I don't think this is news to you. But however, these 5 films are like really beautiful. If you have not watched them, you should. Let's talk about these films one by one. So the first film I'm going to talk about is called Ek Hazarachi Note. Ek Hazarachi Note means 1000 rupee note. So in a very small village in Vidarbha is eastern Maharashtra. So in that region, there is a old woman who once attends a political rally, and she gets 1000 rupee note as a gift. That means you know how politicians pay for audience, right? So that way she's never seen a lot of money in her life. So she gets this 1000 rupee note, and she has plans. So she goes shopping with that money. But what happens after that? How that money changes her life? How she learns a lot of things about life even at that age? It's a beautiful, emotionally connecting film that you should watch. Okay, it's very deep in terms of layers, in terms of screenwriting, and there are so many lessons you can learn from this film. So do watch this film. So the second film I'm going to talk about today is called Kila. Kila means fort. So this is the story of a 11-year-old boy who loses his father, and he is living with his single mother. And his mother is actually a government job holder, and she gets transferred to another city. Now this boy has to leave his village, the place where he grew up, his friends, and he has a lot of emotional trauma to deal with. So this story is basically the journey of this fatherless child, and how he comes to terms with the new change that is going to come in his life is this film. It's a very well made film. It's very beautiful in terms of picturesque locations, in terms of the emotional connect, in terms of simple emotions. You will be surprised as to how a very simple film can give you so much emotional load. So do watch this film. This is also available on Netflix. I mean, all of them are available on Netflix, but I'm just saying it again. So now we come to a very interesting one. This film is called Harishchandrachi Factory. Harishchandrachi Factory is basically Harishchandra's factory. So this is a story of Dada Saheb Phalke and his journey of making the first ever feature film in India. So that is a beautiful journey that was beautifully depicted in this film. Acting performances are top notch, and I felt really proud of having, if not for this person, I wonder what would have been to what would Indian cinema have been. So this actually takes you to the roots of what challenges he faced, how he had everything arranged. I mean, because see, now there are they say there are 24 crafts, but now there at that time there was only this one person. So there is so much to learn from, so much to get inspired from, how he managed casting, how he managed photography, cinematography, how he managed direction, and there are so many beautiful things that you will see in this film. Must watch. It is available on Netflix. So the next film on my list is called Natsamrat. Natsamrat is a 2016 film in which the lead actor Nana Patekar has shattered the ceiling of acting. His performance is just unbelievable. He will make you cry, he will make you laugh, and in the end you will just sit in one corner with your knees very close to your stomach and just think about what happened to this film after watching it. I mean, it's a not tension. It's I don't have the right words for it. So it's a very tragic film that is so beautifully made. And the unique thing about this film is that it follows the old style of storytelling. You if you've seen any of the black and white family dramas when you were young, or on TV or on Doordarshan whenever you were young, so these old style storytelling, old style of family values, and old style of portraying, depicting events to portray certain emotions, it's a pretty old school film with skyrocketing performances. You must watch this film. It is on Netflix, and this film has been remade into many languages. I think it's going to come in Telugu also. So just watch this film. It's a brilliant film, and Nana Patekar, hats off. So as I said in the previous case of Nat Samrat, how old school storytelling has worked in that film. So Kakand is also another film in which a very simple love story. Okay, I'll tell you, there are only 2-3 types of love stories that exist in India. One, the girl is rich. Two, the boy is rich. Third is there is a third person in the love story. It's a triangle. There is no theme beyond this. Love stories are very simple to write. Any donkey can write it. But this film is an exceptionally made love story. In this film, Kisu, the lead character, is a very poor guy, and the actress is the heroine. She is very rich, but the way the emotions are portrayed is very different. And this is again a very old school, old style of a film, which I am surprised that it is so good. You have to watch this film. So yeah, so these were my list of 5 films in Marathi language which are available on Netflix. So you should watch all of them. These are all top notch, and I have excluded Sairat for the reason that it's a blockbuster hit and there are so many people have talked about it. It is a well-known film and it got remade in Hindi also, and there is nothing new to say about Sairat. So these are hidden gems kind of films, although they were popular in that time. But as of today, on this weekend, if you have not watched them, please do watch these films, and do subscribe to my channel. Share this video link and like this video and comment. And if you feel there are other Marathi films that you have watched which may not be on Netflix, do let me know. We can always discuss more films, and we will be continuing to discuss more films. See you all. Bye bye.